Hi everyone, it's Arthur here, and today's video I'm gonna share with you how we can make a beautiful signature, email signature, something like these using AI. So this is not completely using AI, but we're gonna use AI to solve this issue. So we can solve this in a few different ways. You can use ChatGPT or Claude, whatever you have. You could just use it. So the first thing, we just need to make this template first. So we could go to HubSpot email signature. If you search in Google, then you're gonna get this website, HubSpot email signature template, something like this. If you just search in Google, you'll get it. Yeah, this one I'm talking about, this website. So I will give this link in my description also. So after this, you need to click on here, this create your signature, and then you need to fill out all of the information, whatever you're gonna put here. So just put all of this, whatever you're gonna get to see here. Yeah, whatever you're gonna get to see, just update the information that you wanna do, and also you're gonna see the preview here and the images also. So right now when you're just going to use a Google Drive or any kind of images, you're gonna get like an error. It's not gonna be work. So it's have a solution to do this. So if you want to use your own Gmail profile picture, then what you can do, you can go here, your Gmail, then click on this profile picture, then click on manage your Google accounts, just go there, and then click on mouse right button. Then you get a few options like save image as, copy link, copy image address. So click this copy image address, this button, so that this image link will be copied there. So right now, as you can see, if I just paste this link, then I can get to see something like this profile picture here. Also, if you want to increase the size of this image, then we could change the number here. Right now, we can see here S, that means the size. So if I make it 400 like this, then it's going to be increased by 400. So whatever you need, how much you need, you can just change the amount, the number. For example, right now I just keep it for 400, and let's go back to HubSpot one. Let's paste the profile picture. Right now, as you can see, it's already changed. So if I change it to 100, let's see what happens. If I change it to 100, it's going to keep the same as it is, so it's not going to impact anything. So just copy paste that link. Then as you can see, it's added the profile picture. And if you have a signature, company logo, whatever you have, if you have a company logo, you could do this the same way how I just do. Just go to your Google account, just pick it. If it's anywhere in Drive, then just follow the same process to copy paste the link of the image. So by this way you can do it. And also it's have some templates there, a lot of templates. Few templates, you could definitely try it. Personally, I go with the template tree. So if you like anything different, you could go with there. Yeah, here as you can see, this is the template. So yeah, you could do it. Next is like the style. So you could really change the color of this signature based on your branding. It's quite easy. Just paste here the color code, or you can just use this wild for changes this color. Next is like add to call action, because this is really important when you're just doing email and founders or anything. So I think it's gonna really push up. So if you have any something that's directly can book a meeting. So yeah, that's why I added here. So if you don't like, or if you don't need this, you could just remove from here. This change this pattern. Like if you want to do anything like newsletter, online payments, anything if you want to do it, then you can just change it from this city here. And for the social media, you get details here. So you can just like write down the details, whatever all of this thing you could do. Also have a created from HubSpot. So if you want to remove it, then you can just remove from here. Just turn off this, then it's gonna remove it. But the biggest problem, I feel like this looks away space, and also the button is on this on the below this social media. So we're gonna use AI to fix it. So let's click on this next button and go to next. Yeah, everything is run. And right now we get two options. One is like copy signature, and another is like source code. So what you can do right now, let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, so now what I need to do, I just opened both of these for now here. What I need to copy the code. Yeah, this is already copy. As you can see, we don't need to create an account, so it's already copied. So let's go back to here, and we just need to say what we need basically. So what I want, let's say here, book a meeting. So I want to make it on the left side, something like the social media. So we need to say it here. So let me write. So I just simply say here, just what I need. Can you please place the book on the left side. So and yeah, sometimes let's see. So understand not. Okay, so here we give me the code. So we need a codex or ChatGPT app for this, so that is show the preview right now. I'm not sure it's gonna show. Replace with the icon. Let's see, is it preview there? Okay. So it's not showing. It's not working properly, I think. Let's go with the Claude, because previously I do with ChatGPT app. I have a Go subscription, so it's really worked well. Okay, so previously I tried with ChatGPT.com and Claude.com, and as you can see, it's kind of broken the other system. It's like there is no icons and images, nothing is there. And when I try ChatGPT app and also the ChatGPT app also, it's also really working fine. And this is the first version that's given to me. So let me open it in Chrome. So this is the first version that gave to me. It's really awesome. So if you want to do much more customizing here, then you can do, because in my case, I see on mobile it's like so closer. So you can just take a screenshot and tell them, okay, this mobile have an issue. Let's fix it. They're going to fix it. And with this Claude app, it's really working well. And this is also a good move. So whatever app you're using on your Claude or ChatGPT, just try with that. It's going to be really working well. So then what you need to do, you just need to go back to your Gmail, and let's go to here, this option. No, it's not. I need to go to the setting, right? Here with the setting, go to see all setting, this button, scroll down a bit on the general tab. You will find out here the signature somehow. Yeah, here is a signature. Let's click on add new button. Maybe you're not gonna get it. So I'm gonna type, so I'm gonna change it. So test, and as you can see, I get a test one. If you want anything else, that the name, so that you're gonna, whenever you're just going to compose any kind of mail, you're gonna easily select it, which signature you wanna get. So this is made the name for identify. So this is the same name as identify. Okay, so now let's go here, Control A, copy everything, go back, let's paste it, and as you can see, we get it the same thing. But the biggest problem, I tell you, that it looks really bigger. So let's ask to the AI to make it minimize, so to make it simple. Right now it really looks bigger and it's need to scroll, so let's minimize it. So then you're gonna ask them, they're gonna solve it, copy paste it, and see it how it's work. Also sometimes is in here it looks really bigger, but when you're just going to compose it, for example, I go with the test one, as you can see, it looks really bigger. But this one looks really compact. So you can ask AI that it make it compact, so that I need to scroll left to right. So let's remove it and let's make it compact something. So you could just take a screenshot from here and ask AI just make something like this width. So it's going to change the weight also. So this is all about like creating a signature using AI. Like it's not fully AI, but we take a help from AI for make it better. If you find this video is helpful, let's click on this like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you.